guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have December's Globein Box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Globin for December 2024 just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys know, you know I absolutely love Globin. I love the whole concept about it. I love all of the outreach to all of the remote artisans that they find, all of the amazing handmade products that they make. I just absolutely love Globin, and I love even more that you get to select every single item. So right now I'm going to start showing you, because there's so many different options that I need to speak a lot so you can see them while I'm telling you. So I'm going to start showing you all of the different options you can choose for category number 1. There's 3 different ones, and again, you get to choose which one you want for every single category. I absolutely love that, because then you're building the box to how you want it to be, either for yourself or for gift items. If I see something and I think of somebody else, I'm like, ooh, I could select that, give them a gift, store it for next year, or I just get it for myself. I literally have Globin in almost every single room, outside, patio. Like, I have Globin everywhere. They have so many different amazing items that there's probably something that you or somebody else would absolutely love. So I went ahead and grabbed this today. Yesterday was Christmas, so I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas if you celebrate or not. Thank you all so much who reached out and wished me a Merry Christmas and sent these cards here as well. Thank you so much. That means so much to me. I greatly appreciate you thinking of little old me over here, well, big old me over here on a special day. So thank you so much. Let's go ahead and dive in now, because you can start seeing what's going on the side. But I love the fact that some of you guys literally look through them and try to figure out what I chose for that category. And most of the time you guys say you have it right. So I think that is just so cool. You guys know me. Last month though, I threw a few curveballs because they were mainly like gift ideas, not something that I would pick for myself. This one, however, I believe I chose everything myself. I honestly can't remember, but I believe I chose everything myself. So let me go ahead. Actually, I do need to find, oh, that's right. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me get it, and because I'm really, really excited to get this one. And let me know if any of you guys actually guessed any of them this time. I would love to know if you figured out my selections. They always take so much time into packaging everything as well. Like, I've never had anything come broken, and I've received a whole lot of like fragile type items that are glass, very, very breakable, and I've never had an item come that was broken. So they do take time in packaging everything very, very well. This is it. Oh my gosh, it's so much bigger than I thought it was. Some people would like to hear that. Look at how beautiful. Okay, so did you guess? Did you see this scroll on by and you're like, I think that's what she chose? Oh my goodness. So this was made in Mexico. Look at, not only are those colors absolutely beautiful, but just the design, and it's like the darker color here is raised. Like, you're not going to be able to see that, but I can feel it. And then like all these little dots, these are all raised. Can you see that? This is just absolutely gorgeous. And then you have the cork. It's in there good. It was a tight fit. I don't know why I smelled it. It's not like there's alcohol in there. I think there's some moonshine. I don't know what I was just now thinking, but it says it's a tequila decanter, so you know tequila could be going up in here. But look at how gorgeous this is, you guys. I am just baffled. I'm just blown away by how beautiful this is. Like, and I shouldn't be. Like, this should just be like my normal thing that I know of because of Globin, but this is just absolutely beautiful. I love that. I might actually have to sit this in my background. I love this. One thing they also do, which I think is amazing, is you have a little card for every single item, and it'll give you some more information about it. And so this one says, grace your table with this beautiful ceramic tequila decanter, handcrafted by Mexican artisan Armando. Wow, Armando, you did the damn thing, and that is absolutely breathtaking. Like, I absolutely love that. What it says though for this one, it values at $65, and it says the body of the decanter is an oval shape with bold orange and red flowers, framed with cobalt blue petals, all connected by blue and orange lattice, a dot motif, and a snow white background. A cork stops the decanter. Oh my gosh, again, valued for $65. That is just beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is just beautiful. And it says, like I said, Mexico on the bottom. And then there's a number 13. So I don't know if this is like numbered and this was the 13th one that they made or something, but that is just gorgeous. I love that. So all of the different options that you can choose for category number 2 will be right here. And this one, I don't know if you're gonna guess. I honestly don't know if you're gonna guess this one. While you're looking at my options, I wanna tell you, you also have a card, and I absolutely love this. You have it, your packing slip is in there too, but you always get a postcard. I haven't gotten them like the same. They're always different. And on the back, it's written in 2 different languages. I can barely speak one language, and they write it in 2 different languages. Handwritten every time you get one of these. So the attention to detail is just, Globin knows what they're doing. Globin knows what they're doing. So yeah, sent with love. Isn't that just so cool? Okay, so enough about that. As you're looking, and you're looking and looking on the side, again, I don't think you're going to guess it. It's down inside of here. It's down inside of here. So, and the reason for this, and I had one a while back, I think when I was getting Globin, it came with one of the boxes. And then I believe I gave it to somebody who said they wanted it, because at the time I wasn't using it. And now I've watched my man like stick tortillas in like a metal thing, foil to keep it warm. And when I saw this go by, I'm like, that's my colors. And now you can have your own thing to put your tortillas in to keep them warm, sir. So I did choose the black strap hand woven turquoise and beige cotton tortilla warmer. Turquoise textures is what it says. And this is valued at $28. So you have your opening right here. You put your tortillas in there, and then you just cleave it and it keeps them warm. So I think that is awesome, because then we don't have to keep using foil. You can just stick them up in here, and we can keep our tortillas warm while we're, using them or whatever. So I thought that was really neat. I chose that. Again, I don't think you guys were going to choose that I chose a tortilla warm, unless you saw that teal and you're like, I bet you that's what she chose. But yes, I love that teal as well. Again, valued for $28, 100% cotton. And then it says that it is 10.8 inches in diameter. So there you go. Cow, there is a tortilla warmer. Okay, so for option number 3, all of the different options would be right here. This one actually took me a minute to figure out which one I wanted. Oh, and the hand woven tortilla warmer, it says hand woven cotton in beige and turquoise brings organic elegance to the dining room and kitchen. It can also be used with bread. So I guess you can put bread in there if you're toasting bread or something. So there's that. So again, back to number 3. I had a hard time looking to see what I wanted on this one. And then when this one came around, I was like, ooh, I want you, but I don't think I want to use you as you're intended. So let me get this out of here. Hold on. Again, everything is packaged so well. Ready to see what I chose? Look at how tiny this is. It's so cute though. I just thought this would be really, really cute. It's meant to be, it says hand painted white ceramic pinch bowl, snow white designs, valued at $22. So it's basically like if you put salt in here, you can use it to pinch to, put seasoning in something. I just thought it was super cute just to sit down, like just to sit there, or to be like maybe to put like a ring in, or I don't know. I just thought that would be super cute. And that's what I got Plus, if I wanted to put it like in my crystal section, I could put a few like little crystals inside so they're not rolling around on my table or something. So I had a few different ideas run across my mind when I thought of this one, but I just thought that was super, super cute. And look at the design on it. So it's like the beige on the outside, white on the inside, and then like this white paint, and it's puffy, like it's raised paint. Look at how gorgeous. And then you got your 3 little feet. I didn't tell you guys, but my man actually got me a ceramic style like pottery wheel. It's not like the one that I had when I was in high school, like a big old like electric and like big, you know, one that you kick and everything. It's like a smaller one for like just being like at home. It still was expensive, but it's a little smaller one. And so I'm so excited to start like making things with it. Like I could be able to make my own little things like this or bigger or whatever. And so I'm like so excited of the different things that I'm going to be able to make soon. So just wanted to share that little story too. So for this one here, it says Snow White Designs, perfect for individual servings of condiments and salsas. I'd eat way more salsa than that. That would be like maybe for one chip. Maybe like if you're tasting it, like, hey, can you taste this? Do I need anything else in it? But not to actually eat salsa out of. Or for mixing spices, yes, you can mix spices in here. That would be a good idea, actually. This charming pinch bowl is created by Armando. Same guy. Look at that. No wonder why it was raised and it reminded me of the tequila decanter. It's made by the same person, with a hand painted design. So yeah, he hand paints all of, look at that. You have to have a really steady hand to do this immaculate of like hand painting. But yeah, that's amazing. I might actually stick this in my kitchen so I can mix spices or something with it. I don't even know, but I love it. It's cute, it's tiny, and yeah, now I can use it for whatever I feel like. So that is what I chose for the December box. You have this cute little pinch bowl. You have a tortilla warmer, and I just can't get over how stunning this tequila decanter is. Like, okay, you guys. So now that is everything for the December 2024 Globein box. Comment down below and let me know, did you guess any of the ones that I got? Would you have chose any of these for yourself? Did you see other stuff that you would love to customize this box just to create for yourself or for others? Let me know. I love to hear from you in the comment section below. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code if you do not want to go to a subscription, because if you do want to sign up for a subscription, you're more than welcome to. I will tell you the pricing in just a moment. They normally have as well, when you do sign up for the first time, you get a free box and there'll be a few for you to choose from generally, so you can check and see what their specials are for signing up. But if you don't want to sign up right away and you want to go just to shop through their shop, because you can get all of these individual items in their shop at any given time. So being a member, an actual active monthly member, you get to save 20% off the artisan shop. That's a perk of being a member. But again, if you don't want to be a member just yet, you can use my code to save that 20% off their artisan shop. So anything in their shop, you can get 20% off being a non-member, and it's SheCrafty. So SheCrafty will get you that 20% off, again, the shop, if you are not an active member. For a 3-month subscription, it's $40 per box. They do not do a month per month. The least amount is a 3-month subscription. And trust me, you're going to love those 3 boxes. So 3 months is $40 a box. 6 months will drop your box price down to $37 per box. And a 12-month subscription will drop your box price down to only $35 per box. Again, I just love everything about them. I love their outreach with the remote artisans from across the world, delivered straight to the comfort of your own home, and you just get to enjoy them. And it is so simple. You choose what you want, it comes delivered, and that is it. So again, if you would like to check them out, they will all be in the description box below, so you can go check them out. Use my code if you want to shop their shop being a non-member. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.